Hey, welcome to another day of the vlog. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about meal prepping. Do you meal prep? Do you know how to meal prep? Would you like to learn how to meal prep? Let me know in the comments below, and I'm gonna show you my freezer because for the last 4 or 5 months, I have been hitting it hard on the meal prep. So my goal is 100 meals. Let's go in here. So like I said, my goal is 100 meals in that freezer, and I am this many meals away. I would say I've got about 20 more meals to make. So this is my goal, to constantly have 100 meals in that freezer. That gives me and my family about 2 to 3 weeks worth of food, you know, depending. But if this is something that you want to know more about, let me know in the comments below, because I have some great money saving tips and ways to buy bulk, good quality food. And when I'm talking meal prepping, I'm not talking chicken and rice, chicken and rice, chicken and rice. Yes, we do have some chicken and rice meals, but that's not everything. Beef, turkey, like some really good home cooked meals they're delicious. They're just delicious. Jesus, I can't talk. So let me know if that's something that you want to see, because I'm probably going to put more of this up because I am super into this right now. Smoothie's made. I'm gonna do a quick little stretching routine. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so that's it for me today. Just a nice, smooth stretching routine just to get to feeling better. I'm just starting to get pretty tight and I just gotta work it out. So I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you on the next one. Bye.